How to send diamonds in Mobile Legends. Hello, everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So, for that, first thing is you may open up your Mobile Legends application, and once you open it up, you should be finding this given interface. Now, from here, what you can do is at the right side of your screen, you should be finding your friends and everything. You need to go ahead and select up a person to whom you want to send diamonds. So you can just go over to this friends section, and here it will show you your Facebook friends, your close friends, following followers. You may just go ahead and click on any and select one of the user. For example, let's say I want to send to one of the users. So you can directly head over to their profile, tap on it, and from there you can look out for their stream if they are a streamer. Otherwise, you can look out for the chat option and tap on it. And once you tap on the chat, you should be finding the send option, and right beside it, you should be finding a gift icon. So you can tap on gift. And then once you tap on gift, here you should be finding all of the gifts. So you can see right below the gifts, you have the diamond value. So if you want to send diamonds, you can send it in the form of gifts. So for example, for this fan thing right here, we need 20 diamonds. So if you have 20 diamonds, you can just go ahead and tap on it, click on it, buy it. After that, send it. And that in that way, you will be sending gift, including diamonds. So this is the way you can apply up if you want to send diamonds in Mobile Legends. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.